How to keep an edge between the gravel and the lawn. A gravel path through your lawn leading into your garden or a gravel driveway leading to your home may project exactly the country style, rustic appearance you want. But keeping the gravel from skipping out of place into the lawn can become an unwelcome chore if you don't create a barrier to prevent it. Gravel in your lawn can damage your lawnmower and injure bare feet. You can create inexpensive gravel barriers quickly with a variety of edging materials, or choose a more costly but decorative specialty stone barrier. Things you will need: measuring tape, grass rake, shovel or spade, pea gravel, barrier stone or aluminum. Measure the site in which you'll install your edging. Add a few feet to your total to cover curves in the edging path as well as occasional installation damage. Rake the section of lawn nearest to the gravel, removing all small stones and debris. Mark an edging path with the sharp end of your spade or shovel. Dig a shallow trench along the edging path. Dig deeply enough to allow a 2-inch barrier above the gravel after barrier installation. Remove all grass and roots from the backfill. Scoop a layer of pea gravel into your trench. This will help stabilize your edging material and enhance drainage. Insert your edging material into the trench in short sections. Once the barrier section is in position, fill the trench with your clean backfill. Tamp down firmly. Repeat the installation process until the edging barrier is complete. Mound the soil slightly at the barrier top, and tamp down. This will help your edging shed rainwater.